This is why your child is not independent. Children are able to do more than what grown-ups think. At any age, there are tasks that our children can learn to do on their own. Our job as parents is to help them build that self-confidence in themselves. In order to have independent children, we need to pay attention to some simple rules. Stay with me to tell you what those rules are. Rule number 1. Let your child struggle and make mistakes. In order to develop skills, children need to be challenged and to struggle. So, if you see your child is struggling wearing their shirt or pants, step back and let them try and make mistakes. I know it is hard to see your child is wearing his pants backwards, but try to be patient and let them do it by themselves. Instead of saying, "This is the wrong way," or "No, it is not the way you should do it," try this. Step back, be patient, and just watch what they are doing. See what they know and what they need to learn. After they tried and challenged themselves, tell them, "You tried very well, and I am happy that you are learning how to do it by yourself. Next time you can try doing this." Rule number 2. Involve them in house chores. Give your child small tasks as simple as cleaning up their toys after playing. Let them help in the house, make the house chores fun, and tell them that you are so proud of them helping and that they are so helpful. Use simple chores that are age appropriate and make sure that they can do it by themselves. Rule number 3. Offer them choices. Give them 2 or 3 options to choose. It will help them build their self-confidence in decision making. Rule number 4. Give them space. Give your child the opportunity to explore without being directly supervised. If there is a sibling conflict, give them a chance to find a solution. Rule number 5. Forget perfection and avoid overcorrecting. If you give your child a responsibility, try not to correct even if they did not do it the way you wanted. If they are cleaning up their toys and it is not perfectly in place, try not to fix it, which shows them they are not able to do it well. Rule number 6. Design their room with independence in mind. Think about ways you can design their room so that they can reach their clothes easily, they can grab a book or tidy up their toys in the toy boxes. For example, a lower rack for clothes or an eye-level hook for their backpack. A stool in the washroom for them to wash their hands without your help. Rule number 7. Write a list of things you think they can do without your help. Try one at a time in order not to overwhelm them. Rule number 8. Make time. If it takes 10 minutes for your child to tidy up their toys, be patient and ask them 10 minutes earlier so that you don't rush them to do it. Rule number 9. Make tasks fun and interesting for them. Use your creativity and fun sentences such as, "Your dirty clothes are asking you to put them in the washing machine. They want to be clean. It's their bath time." Rule number 10. See the bright side and praise something. Instead of saying, "Your shoes are on the wrong foot," try this. Encourage them by using positive sentences as, "You did it by yourself," or "Good job." Rule number 11. Take your time. If you see that your child is tired or frustrated, try not to introduce new tasks. Do not get discouraged if sometimes they ask you to help. Bottom line is, keep in mind the more you do your child's tasks for them, the less they learn. Before doing anything for them, ask yourself, are they able to do it on their own? And if the answer is yes, let them try, struggle, and do it even if not as perfect as you want.